Hello there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property in front of me. So I'm in Mellor Walk in Reading, and it is located just on the outskirts of the town centre. It is a 3-bed mid-terrace property, and I'm just going to show you around. So with this being a live and interactive, feel free to ask me any questions and I will do my best to answer them as I go around. So from the front gate, just turning around to give you an idea, there's a nice little front garden. Now, one thing you will notice, there's no road directly out the front, so there's no parking directly accessed to the front of the property. There is parking at the back, and I'll show you that in a moment, but this nice picket fence, and there's the door here. So what we'll do, without further ado, let's head on in. So, entering into the property, it is, you've got the good sized hallway leading towards the reception room. By the front door, we have the WC and sink, always really helpful. And then heading in here, we've got the kitchen, and it's a really good sized kitchen. It is more of a kitchen breakfast room. I'm just going to stand in the corner here, give you an idea of the size. So just here, really quite spacious, lovely double glazed windows out over the area as well. Here's your boiler. Now it's a gas combi boiler as well, so fantastic, hot water as and when you need it. And we've got then here your gas hob and electric oven. To answer your question there, it is a no chain property, so there is no onward chain for this one here, and it's about I'd say probably 10-minute walk into the town centre. So just before the reception rooms, you've got a couple of large storage cupboards either side. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues with the buffering on that one there. Trying our best. All depends on our mobile phone signal for this area. So into the main reception room, really good size living room diner. Just trying to give you an idea of the space. Really quite really good size. Good large windows as well. Lets lots of light in, and then we've got this rear porch, which is currently being used as a utility space. Now, on a day like today, you want to be using the back garden, and look at this one here with the decking area. Fantastic to sit out and enjoy. There's the shed at the back as well, mostly later lawn. Just walking up to the top, and there's the view back down to the house there. So someone's asked the direction of the garden. That's a good question, so we will just try and find that out for you. And while my compass is loading, here's the back gate and your parking. Now, there are some garages over to the side. The garages are rented through the council. They don't come with the property. There is a rental. There's a rental program that you can sign up to. And the garden, to give you an idea, is south-southwest, so you will be getting sun for most of the day, which is fantastic. After a day's work, sit out and enjoy it on this decked area. Nice and peaceful, and to be honest, you wouldn't know that you're on the edge of the town centre either, which is just down the hill. Coming back in, let me just lock that. So, coming back into the property, what I'll do, I will show you upstairs of this home. So we have 3 bedrooms. So we'll start off in this one here. So a really good size bedroom there, good size double, nice large window, again overlooking the back garden. And then based on the age, you've got built-in storage. This here is the smallest room, but still for a 3rd bedroom, it's actually quite a good size. It is probably more of a single than a double, although technically a double would fit in, but not a lot else. And again, window overlooking the back garden. Coming down the other end of the hallway, we've got your airing cupboard, and it's a large storage. Large storage space as well. Question coming in again. Is the loft boarded? Do you know what? That's a really good question. We will just double check for you. This one here is the main bedroom in regards to size. Really quite a spacious double bedroom. And then you've got a built-in cupboard down the end there. And then with the bathroom down the end, so they've taken the bath out, but they've put in this wonderful shower, nice double shower, the rainfall shower head as well, all tiled, and you can see there, look, new toilet as well. So window there, and then you've got another cupboard in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just trying to load up to be able to answer a couple of your questions that you've asked in regards to the boiler and the loft. So as my just as my system loads, I will try and find the answer out for you. But looking at looking up here, let's have a look. So there is a ladder to it. By the looks of it, it doesn't look boarded to me. I will get it double checked for you, but the loft doesn't look like it's boarded. However, there is the ladder, which is always helpful. And then, so the boiler is approximately 2 years old, so it's quite a new boiler as well. On that one there, so the boiler is approximately 2 years old, and it was serviced last year. And there we are. So really spacious property. As I said to you, there is no chain with this one here. The seller is keen to sell, and there's no chain on this one here. So thank you for that question there. What I want to say is thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it all, and I love all the questions that are coming in, so thank you very much. If you have got any further questions, do drop me a message. I'll do my best to answer those for you. If you've requested a private viewing, I will be in touch to get that booked in. So I want to thank you very much for joining me. If there are no other questions, I'm going to head on out, and again, thank you so much. Take care, and who knows, speak to you soon. Take care.